Hi everyone, I'm Elle, and today I wanted to do a first impression of my new purse. So this is the Gucci Bamboo 1947 small top handle bag. I haven't seen a lot of reviews on YouTube about it, so I thought I would give you guys my first impressions of it. I bought this while I was in Hawaii. If you watch my luxury haul, I bought this in Hawaii while I was on vacation with my mom, and yeah, so here she is. This is the small size. So it comes, so this is the part that really really caught my eye, was this beautiful bamboo strap. The handle, I love the bamboo handle. It's just so classically Gucci to me. So I was super excited when they came out with these bags with the handles, like our little revamping of it. Here's the sides, and then here's the bottom, and it's this really smooth leather. There's nothing on the back. And then to open it, you twist this guy, and I used this yesterday, so. And then inside there is a little pocket here. They actually provide you with a mirror. That's really cute. You could, and then here's the little case for the mirror, and then it's like embossed in Gucci, and then the other side is the mirror. I think that's a really nice touch. A little unnecessary, but I love those like extra little things. And then it has like a snap, and then let me just take out my stuff. Yeah, so, and then there is a zip pocket in here. I just have the care booklets right now. Sorry if you hear my dog's footsteps. And then inside there is a little, I don't know if you could, oh, it's like a code. I never noticed that. And then here it says Gucci made in Italy. And then here's the turn, and then the bottom, and the back. And the inside has like this, what is this? It's like a textile lining. And then on the bottom, it kind of looks like it has 3 compartments, but it doesn't really. It just kind of stretches. And then it has like these little, I don't know what these are called, these little tabbies here. But yeah, so first, and then it also has the little, oh, hold on one second. Let me let my dog out. Okay, like I was saying, it has these little rings here that are for the straps. And then the bag comes with these 2 straps, which is kind of what really sold me on the bag. Is and these straps are really pretty. It has like Gucci engraved right here, and it comes with the blue and red webbing strap. And then it also comes with, whoa, it also comes with a leather strap that also has like the engraving there. So you clip these on, and yeah. All right, hard to do with one hand. Okay. So yes, you clip these guys on if you want to do the strap. But yeah, very cute. And then, okay, so as far as first impressions go, I really love this color. It's like an off-white creamy color. I was honestly, I'm still really nervous about it because it's a really smooth leather. And it's like such a light color. So I'm a little worried about it, to be completely honest. I love this color. But yeah, honestly, I am really nervous about it. But time will tell. And I'm actually using this bag a lot more than I originally thought I was going to. I kind of thought I was going to use it as like a brunch bag or a dinner bag or stuff like that. But I've used this shopping a couple of times, and it's just so pretty. And it looks really good with like sundresses, floral dresses. It matches a lot of things. And I have been using it with this strap a lot because it makes it look a little more casual. But yeah, I'm a little worried because it's such a light color. And I didn't expect to wear it as much as I've been wearing it, so we'll see how it kind of turns out. But I did notice that right here when I turn it, because when it's closed, the leather is like so supple and it hits the little part right there. So it has like a little indentation already, so that makes me really nervous. So we'll see how the wear goes on this over time. I also wish that it had like little feet or something. I don't know, just because like I sit it on things like that a lot. And I also noticed, this was so weird that I never thought of, it's kind of noisy. Like, okay, hold on, listen. Like it makes that squeaking noise. It doesn't really bother me right now, but that's just something that when I was carrying it with my mom, she was like, what is that? Do you hear that? And it was actually my bag. But yeah, we'll see how that, if it gets like a little looser over time, but it's really nice because it kind of stands up on its own, which is really cool. So it looks really nice on my shelves. And then let's see, that's kind of what I'm, as far as first impressions go, that's kind of the things that I'm really worried about, is like the softness of the leather, or the suppleness, I guess, and it getting scratches, and just like that marking that I already have right there. And then I foresee that I'm gonna get some scratches probably on this because it's like leather, and maybe scratching over here. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. It does make me a little nervous, honestly. And then let's see. And then another thing. So in my Hawaii haul, I mentioned how I didn't know that this bag existed, or I didn't really pay much attention to it until I went to Gucci and tried it on. I saw it. So it was kind of an impulse buy. I was really looking at the Gucci Diana bag. Don't get me wrong, that bag is also super pretty, and I don't know if the mini comes with the 2 straps, but that one is really pretty. But for that one, I think I went with this one over the Gucci one, or not the Gucci one, the Diana one, was because this one is so subtle. It's like a subtle, like if you know, you know type thing, and I think that's kind of the kind of the bags that I've been gravitating towards lately, because I have a few other Gucci bags, and the other ones like really are very like obviously Gucci, but and then the Diana one is also one that isn't obviously Gucci. I think when I originally went there, I wanted to get the Diana in the white. That one isn't super obviously Gucci either, but it does have like a little logo. And then I liked how this one, when it lays on your sides, or like when you're carrying it crossbody, it lays really nicely where the handles stick up. For the Diana bag, the handles fold down, or they can stick up, but you know, they because there's 2 bamboo handles, it lays across your body like not as nicely as this one does. So that's what I really liked about, I think that's what kind of sold me over it. And this one's very like, it feels very worth my money when I bought this. So yeah, that was kind of what I was thinking when I went in and bought this one over the Diana bag. But honestly, I still want the Diana bag, so we'll see how that goes. But I probably won't get it in a white because I have this one. Let's see what else. And another thing that sold me on this bag was that it comes with the 2 straps. So you can use it by itself with just the top handle, or you can use it with this strap, or you can use it with this strap. And then this one can be used as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. I haven't tried it with that one either, but I'm sure this one can too. But honestly, I have been using it with this strap the most lately, because it's just so convenient and it's so comfortable. Like, I haven't had one of these canvas straps, and they're just so darn comfortable. And it does like have a nice like casual vibe to it. And it comes with that little mirror, which is super cute too. And then let me just show you what I can fit inside here, how I've been carrying it. So I have my multi-pochette here, or multi-pochette, my mini pochette here. This has like lipsticks, pens, some cash, random stuff like that. So I put that in there. It fits totally fine. And then I have my key clay here with my what are they called? AirPods. So that fits really nicely in there. And then it closes. This bag is pretty heavy, but it's like, ooh, it's like makes me feel like it's kind of worth it for the material that they're using. So it is a little heavier, but oh yeah, see, it makes that noise. So it doesn't really bother me, but it's just something to note if that would bother you. But yeah, that's kind of what fits inside of it. And then so as far as pricing goes, this I just checked on the website. This is for the small size. It's 3,300 USD. I bought it in Hawaii, so I had a bit of a discount. I think it was under 300 under 3,000 after taxes. And then I did see that the mini size is 26.50, and then there was a white canvas version that is $29.80 right now, and then the Diana mini is $29.50. So this one is more expensive because it's bigger, and it's 3,300 right now. As far as if I think that's worth it, I'm not completely sure yet. I think it is like one of my really prettier bags, and I just like the different use of the different materials. So in that sense, I don't know. We'll see in a while if I actually think that that's worth the price point. This is the most expensive bag that I've bought from Gucci. So we'll see. It was kind of a hard pill to swallow. I don't know. I didn't think that would be over 3,000, but considering this is the bigger one. So we'll see about that. If I truly think that price is warranted. Oh, and then because this is like a remodel, since this is the 1947, I'm assuming that this style came out in 1947. There are vintage, you can find this model, like the original one on like reseller sites. And I did a quick Google search, and they're around like 700 to 1,000 right now. So if you don't want like a brand new one, they have some really good ones on reseller market. So you could try that out for a vintage one. I think this in like a black vintage one would be really nice. So actually, maybe I'll look into that because I really like the look of it. I don't know. I'm just a sucker for this bamboo handle. And then if you want the smaller size, I don't know exactly what fits in it. Like this will, like, I know a lot of people have this, so they could kind of compare it. So this fits really nicely and has some room in there. That is what fits in the small. I'm not sure about the mini, but the mini also comes with the 2 straps. So I think that's a good alternative too. So yeah, I think that might be a little worth it. Let's see, how much do you save? That's like it's about like 600-ish, or 700-ish price difference if you go for the smaller size. I do think that this is a nice like lunch type bag if you don't need the extra room. I think that's a good alternative. But yeah, let's see how much I use this and how the leather holds up, and I'll keep you guys updated. Oh, she's so pretty. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. And thank you for those who have subscribed. I know that I just have a handful of subscribers, but it is pretty exciting to watch, to see that people are actually interested in what I have to say about all these like little frivolous material things. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.